Who wouldn't want to have a pizza oven in their backyard, right?
I'm George Peters, co-founder of Kettle Pizza.
I'm Al Contarino. I'm a co-founder of Kettle Pizza. Well, the trick to cooking pizza is really hot temperatures and cooking it very quickly. And with a normal grill, you can't do that because you lift the lid, you lose the heat. The bottoms cook faster than the tops. So what we built is a chamber or an oven. You put the charcoal in the back, you add some hardwood chunks on top of that, and you could get these to 750 degrees, and you're cooking a pizza in right around 5 minutes or so. On the gas product, you're actually cooking the steel chamber so that it absorbs the heat and then radiates that heat back down to the top of the pizza.
Because it's made into an oven, it does more than just cook a pizza. We have people that cook calzones, and breads, and cookies. You know, they have an affordable outdoor oven now.
And the other thing with a traditional pizza oven is it usually has a startup time of at least 90 minutes to get it up to temperature. With one of these, you're going at about 20 minutes. So once you place a pizza on the stone, you can see it start to cook. You'll see the dough start to peel away a little bit from the stone. But after a couple of minutes, you take your peel and you try and spin your pizza around because it cooks a little faster in the back than it does in the front.
You know, Al and I being inventors, sometimes you have to come up with your own items too as you invented a product. So we had to find all around the US people to cut the steel, nuts and bolts, pizza stones, make our boxes. So it's been a constant kind of evolving of trying to find the best partners that we can. It has been a joy when you deal with other companies and a lot of family-owned companies around that are still been committed for decades to making things here in the US where we're getting product from.
You want to be able to create jobs for people in your community or in your own country.